Well, today is May 18th, the first cold weather that we had of the year so far. Let's see behind here, we got our boom truck. It's been sitting there for, I think, 2 days. Well, it's been plugged. We'll see if it starts. The other boom trucks, well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to start with that one. I'm not sure. So I think it would be a perfect time to do a cold start video on it. It's a 95. If you watched my previous videos, I doubt you did, but if you did, it's a 95 Mack. Let's see if she runs today. We got Tim Hortons cup, cotton gloves. Oh yeah. Yep, boy. I have a feeling that wasn't plugged. Yep, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. She's gone, baby. Yeah, she's cold, baby. She's cold.